What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to deal with this crap, okay? Ford, I don't know why. All of your F-150s, all of y'all Expeditions and Explorers from back in the day, this fades, okay? Now, this is not the first time I'm changing this, okay? This will be the second time. The previous owner, I don't know, maybe they changed it before, but this is a 2007 Ford Expedition, ELXLT. And I changed this already, and it faded again. So this time we are changing it with at least something that looks cool, all right? So we have the little skull head right here. I believe this was adhesive. Before I do anything, we have to see if it fits first. And I may have trouble because it don't fit, but it said it fit. So I have a problem, Houston. All right, so this slot right here, there's a slot right here. That's what's hindering me on this because, yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll cut this plastic piece off because it's going right into the center right here and it's closed, like it's very tight. Well, the pins are longer on this one than it is on this one, so you can see the difference right there as far as the pins go. So what I have to do is I have to cut out this pin, so y'all about to see that right now. And you guys, I'm gonna make it work because I'm tired of looking at that emblem that's faded. So y'all are about to see a miracle right now. All right, you guys, so I did use the razor, but I had to set it on a platform. It was hard for me to cut like that, so I did cut a little bit off. So let's see if that will help me get it through. I'm still gonna have a tough time. Oh no, it should be good. I do want to cut a little bit more off. What can I use? All right, you guys, so I cut it off and I got as close as possible. How did I do it? I use these little needle nose. With the needle nose, they have like a little blade right there. Okay, usually you use that to cut wires. So I put it right there and made my cut, and there you go. So now I'm going to present it real quick, and it looks awesome. All right. So what I'm going to do is take the tape off now that I'm happy and comfortable and stick it right on. And when this one wears out, we're going to do the same thing. All right. Got the emblem on. Now we're going to take the beauty cover off. And it's not new no more, but it is new and fresh, all right? So we replace this with this, all right? Now, got this from Amazon. Link will be in the description. Make sure you put in your year and model because different years have different style of the housing when you put this onto the housing. So yeah, other than that, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.